Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's walk you through this far from moving average trade by using our telestrator. Does this fit our criteria? Well, here the stock is trading at about $52.90, and it goes down $2.40 to hit a low of 50.52. So it is more than $1.50 away from our closest moving average. Second thing, the second we see this green bar, and here's where it made the low at 50.52, this is about 50.70. The second we saw that green bar at about $50.70, we bought this stock with a market order. Stop order, very simply, goes at the low sale of the previous bar. So in this case, on this far from moving average trade, our stop order is 50.52. How about this one? We are risking 18 cents on that trade. That is beautiful. That's great risk reward. In a $50 stock, we look to quickly make 50 cents on this trade. We're long at 50.70. We would enter our order to sell right here, 51.20. And within about 2 or 3 minutes, we would take our 50 cents out of that trade. There's our far from moving average trade. We move on to the next trade.